Hello and welcome. This is such an exciting project, and we first of all started by taking our conservatory down, which was right here. And in this video I'm going to quickly share with you our home renovation project, which is now this beautiful extension. Here is what we started with and the beginning of our renovation project. We didn't use our conservatory very much, and so it was a bit of a wasted space. It was often too hot in the summer, and even though we had a radiator in there, too cold in the winter. Maybe this is something you can relate to, and so in this project we really make the most of the space. We took the conservatory down and actually sold it on eBay, so someone took it away and put it up at their own home. I am a big believer in reduce, reuse and recycle, so this was perfect for this project. The kids also really enjoyed getting stuck into the project too, and they make really great little helpers. So that's it, the conservatory is almost down and we had some little visitors too. I had ideas of how I wanted this space to be, so I made some notes and made some sketches, and we went from there, and then the architect could then draw the plans up. We then got the experts in to start digging up and dig our trench, ready for the foundations to go in. My kids really enjoyed seeing the trucks and the diggers come and go, and of course having a little go as well. The old conservatory was just over 3 by 3 metres, and we've gone for a 4 by 4 new extension, so making it that little bit bigger without taking up too much more of the garden. I think it's good to weigh up how much garden you'll lose compared to how much more internal space you actually want. So for us, this was a great project to get rid of that old conservatory that we really didn't like and really didn't use, and just use a little more of the extra space and make this wonderful extension. It was really good to see the walls go up and start to see that usable space appear. I wanted a really big feature window that we could sit in as a window seat, and so this is what you see at the end there, and we've got 3 nice skylights in the roof to let even more light in. We also really wanted a pitched roof as well rather than a flat roof, so that is what we've gone for. We matched the fascias to the current house, and we also matched the roof to the current roof. So now the French window is taken out that used to go into the conservatory, and it was time to put that steel in and knock out the rest of that wall. This is going to really open up the existing dining room and make it a light and bright space. So this space is going to give us a larger dining room that we can use as a family, and also another seating area and a bit of a family room that we can use adjacent to the garden and the patio. As you can see, it's really starting to come together now. Unfortunately, the windows and doors were a bit delayed, as these ideally should have gone in before the plastering began. But these were boarded up and work carried on. And in that last bit of video you can see the window seat starting to go in. As the plaster was drying from dark to light, you could really see this space come to life, and start to see how amazing this new extension was going to be. And finally we have some sliding doors, and we could start with the painting and decorating. It was also a good time to redecorate our adjoining living room. We chose this gorgeous rustic floor to go right throughout the new space and our living room. Seeing this go down made me feel so happy to start seeing it really come together, and even happier when we finally got our feature window in. With a little bit more decoration, our space will nearly be complete, and I hope you agree, a big improvement from our existing conservatory. Over the coming months, I'll be doing more indoor and outdoor projects around the extension, so please stay tuned. I do hope you enjoyed the video. In the rest of my videos over on this channel, I'm going to be creating lots more items for my home, lots of DIY and different projects, so I hope you like, subscribe and continue watching. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.